CP4v2 User Guide. Introducing CP4v2, Programmable Thermostat. Operating modes. There are 3 modes to select from: Auto, Manual and Off. Auto mode. When the thermostat is in the auto mode, it will operate according to the times and temperatures that have been programmed. You can select from 6 different programs per day, each with a time and a temperature. There isn't an off time, just high and lower temperatures. Example, to have the heating to turn on at 6:30 am until 8 am for 21 degrees, then on again at 5 pm, please set P1 at 6:30 am to be 21 degrees, P2 at 8 am to be 10 degrees, P3 at 12 o'clock to be 10 degrees, P4 at 1400 hours to be 10 degrees, P5 at 1700 hours to be 21 degrees, P6 at 2100 hours to be 10 degrees. The thermostat will look for the temperature to be 21 degrees until 8 am. From 8 am it will look for 10 degrees until 5 pm. The thermostat will look for the temperature to be 21 degrees from 5 pm until 9 pm, and from 9 pm it will look for the temperature to be 10 degrees again, during P2 to P4, and P6. If the room temperature drops below 10 degrees, the heating will switch on. Good to know. Unlike a time switch, there is no programmed off time, only time periods and temperatures assigned to those periods. If you want the thermostat to be off at a certain time, set the temperature for this time period to be low. The thermostat will turn on if the room temperature is lower than the set point for the current period. Manual mode. In manual mode, the thermostat will keep the room at the target temperature. You can change the target temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Press the OK button to confirm. The thermostat will turn on if the room falls below the target temperature, and will turn off when the room temperature rises above the target temperature. The thermostat will stay in this mode until the mode is changed. Off mode. This mode is effectively turning the thermostat off. Frost protection is active in this mode, so the thermostat will turn on if the room temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius. Off will be displayed on the bottom of the screen. The thermostat will stay in this mode until the mode is changed. Boost mode. Use boost to temporarily activate your heating outside of your programmed times. You can press the boost button once for 30 minutes, twice for 1 hour, 3 times for 2 hours or 4 times for 3 hours. The default temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. To change the temperature, press the OK button. The temperature will flash. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the temperature. Thank you for choosing the CP4v2. For advanced settings, please refer to user instructions.